Hello everybody and welcome back. It is Michael from Hallowed Thrills back with another video, and we are now into week 3 of our Hallowed Holiday Tour this year. And tonight we are at SeaWorld Orlando. Now we are not here for their normal daytime Christmas and holiday stuff. We're actually here for the Christmas Coasters After Dark event. Now this is a separate ticketed event, separate from the normal daytime stuff, so you have to buy a completely separate ticket and it's not included with daytime admission. But basically you get 3 hours of low wait times on all of the coasters minus the kiddie coaster in the park. But it's gonna be a good night. We also get free popcorn, so we're gonna chow down on some of that. But before we get anything, please make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notifications turned on to get notified whenever I post a video. And also make sure you're following me on both Instagram and Twitter. Links are down in the description below. But let's head into the park because the event just started, so we want to make sure that we're getting in line for stuff. And there we are. Stay late for all new after hours limited capacity event, SeaWorld Coasters After Dark Christmas Edition. So there is one more day of this. It's next Friday, so you can buy tickets online for that. But should be pretty fun. Like I said, there's only one new coaster that I've yet to get here, and that's Penguin Trek. So we're definitely going to get at least one ride on that tonight. I'm sure we'll at least probably get a half a dozen on most of the rides here tonight. So we have our special wristband. We are all checked in. The event is from 9 to midnight, so we're going to be here for a little bit. But look at all the people leaving from daytime stuff. The fireworks just ended not too long ago, so people should start clearing out. Another bonus of this event is they have all the lights still on, so we actually will be able to get to see all of the really awesome Christmas lights that they have here in the park for the holidays. Super awesome, and they look really, really good. I also didn't know this, but SeaWorld Orlando is celebrating its 60th anniversary. I didn't know this park was that old. Maybe it's just the SeaWorld company? I'm not sure, but we're going to Penguin Trek. That's our first stop tonight. Ooh, look at the lights. Love the pretty lights. They're awesome. They do a really good job here. I mean, I've seen a decent amount of lights already. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at all the ones up ahead. It's a bit chilly tonight, but Atlantis is open. I don't know if we're going to be going on that, but it's a couple of brave souls on there, I think, right now. Yeah, there's one brave soul on there right now. You're better than me. And we made it to the bottom of the world, as we have finally found where we're heading at, Antarctica for Penguin Trek. Let's see if we can find the entrance. Oh, it's literally right there. It says 55 minutes. I doubt that heavily, but we do have our GoPro, so fingers crossed they'll let me record some POVs for you for night rides. All right, getting on to Penguin Trek, and my sources have told me that is inaccurate and it is a walk-on right now. So let's check it out. Second launch. Oh god, that is a rattle and a half. Oh my god. Alright, so we got off of Penguin Trek. It's a pretty average family coaster. It has the same new family B&M restraints that Phoenix Rising has, so they're awful. They're super tight. They constrict you for no reason and just really on thicker thighs kind of squeeze you out the side. It's really disgusting and it hurts. But anyways,
Is it okay?
It was an okay ride though. Like I said, it was really rattly though. Through the second launch, we were sitting in the front row. Through the second launch, it like bounced and jackhammered a bit. It was really weird, but yeah, we're now gonna head over and get a ride on a pipeline, so that should be pretty fun. And I gotta use the chest harness now because they yelled at me on that last ride for using my head mount. So we gotta switch over to the chest harness. We'll have it for that. And I don't know if I'll be recording any other POVs. Maybe I'll do one for Icebreaker, but other than that, I think we'll only do a couple POVs tonight. And we have made it to my favorite ride in the park, Pipeline. So fun. Hopefully we can get a couple rides on this. But it says 15 minutes, but like I said, I don't think that's true. So got off of Pipeline, and that was probably the worst restraint that I had for it. Like normally it's perfectly comfortable for me. I have no real issues with it, but for some reason this time, I guess when I stood in, they locked the actual height on it. It locked super low on me, so it was really hard on the back of my neck for the actual over the shoulder restraint. Yeah, it wasn't great. Didn't really get as much air as I would normally like to get on that, but I mean it's still a great ride. It's still one of my favorite rides here. But we're walking over to Mako now, and as we're walking, we can see the sea of Christmas trees right next to us. I'll show that off. They're unfortunately off right now. They were on earlier, but it's getting pretty late. Yep, here is the sea of Christmas trees. Like I said, it was on earlier, but it's now 11. We were in that line for Pipeline for a hot minute. But yeah, look at all the lights though. It's really, really beautiful in this park. And we also were told that Icebreaker is closed tonight. It's normally supposed to be open for this event, but there's no one riding it, and we were told that it's temporarily closed. Ooh, look at the beautiful purple trees. That is really cool. There's a ton of lights on just that one tree, and there's a bunch of them with all of those decorations. It's kind of hurting my eyes, actually. All right, we are at Mako. Gotta throw our stuff in the locker though. So, talk to you in a second. I'm not bringing the GoPro on with me this time. All right, we have 3 back-to-back rides on Mako in just a couple minutes. The ops on that were absolutely flying. So, kudos to those guys running that. That was legit. MVPs of the night over there at Mako. But we got about 30 minutes left in the night, so we're heading over to Manta to get a ride on that, and then kind of see what we're near. Maybe get a ride on Kraken before the end of the night. I'm not entirely sure. Depends on what the line is looking like for Manta, but so far, I mean, it's been okay. I mean, the lines for most of the coasters are really short, minus Pipeline, because they were only running one train. Yeah, but I mean, it's hard to say whether or not this is worth the price yet, to be completely honest. We made it to Manta, and let me check my watch real quick. We have still about 20 minutes left, so we're gonna get a ride on it. Well, we went from really good ops on Mako to terrible ops on Manta. We basically have no more time left. That was a 15-minute wait of us being next in line because they ran the trains empty and took forever to dispatch. It was not great. But yeah, that's the end of our night here. Didn't really get to go on a lot of things as much as I was anticipating. But we'll kind of check out the store maybe on our way out, see if they have any holiday stuff, and then wrap up our video here. All right, we have some merch here, some Christmas merch. Merry, that's it. Just Merry, nothing on the back. Merry, in case you forgot what you're supposed to do. and what you're supposed to be. We got some really cool Christmas snow globes. This cool like lantern that lights up. It's kind of neat. Doesn't really do much. Like the little mug that they have there. Like this SeaWorld logo. That's kind of cool. Random like SeaWorld stockings. Kind of like this camp mug. That's kind of cool. Got ornaments and whatnot. Let's see. Oh, this is a cool little mug they have. Yeah. I mean, they have some pretty decent merch. I kind of like that ugly Christmas sweater. That's kind of cool. Wonder how much that is. Because it's like an actual sweater. That's not like a print design that's stitched in, so that's really cool. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, I feel that. But, let's see. Let's see if I can get a pricing on this. There's a tag. Actually, not bad. Only $60 for that. I mean, that's pretty good. Oh, there's Yukon Cornelius and Hermie. Hermie wants to be a dentist. I love these old Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and Santa Claus is Coming to Town. All those types of like Christmas movies. These are really, really cool, and I love this. I think this is a snow globe. This is really cool. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, there's some pretty good merch here for the holiday season. Yeah. I mean, not bad. Oh, they have the Rudolph costume for the car here in case you needed to know where to get it. The Bumble blanket, as everybody knows, Bumble's bounce. They have a Rudolph like plush that talks. At least this one doesn't, but it's supposed to. Let's see. Oh, they have Rudolph Funko Pops. They have Rudolph like jumpers and onesies. That's hilarious. I love all this merch. This merch is really good. Okay, so we just walked out of the park for the night. So let's do our final wrap up of the first annual Coasters After Dark Christmas edition event here at SeaWorld Orlando. I think it was like $55 after taxes and fees for this for one night for 3 hours. And you still had to pay for parking, so on top of that, that's $38. So in total for one night here for this 3-hour event, it is almost $100. So is that worth it to me? We got on Manta once, Pipeline once, Penguin Trek once, and then Mako 3 times. So 6 rides total in 3 hours. Ugh, not great. And we had one thing of free popcorn. I feel like they need to add more value to this. There really isn't a lot of value. I wish they had maybe like more free things that were included in the ticket price, like maybe free hot chocolate, free cookies, something to give you something else to have other than just popcorn. Because just with the popcorn, there really isn't any more Christmas offerings. I don't know how you're calling this Christmas edition just because there's the lights. I don't know. But overall, I don't think for me personally it was worth coming out here tonight. It's a little bit on the pricier side for what you're getting. It's just, I don't know. I feel like they might need to rework some stuff for next year. But if they end up doing that, maybe I'll come back next year for it. But that'll about wrap up this video though. If you did enjoy, please make sure you drop a like and also comment down below. Did you come out here? Are you planning on coming out here next weekend for the last weekend? I'd like to know down in the comments below. But as always, I'm Michael from Hallowed Thrills, giving you the all clear, and all clear means you're out of here. See you guys next time.